Here we've got iPad Air, a first generation, and let me show you how to change mail signature on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select mail. And here at the bottom of the list you've got signature, so just mark it, and here you can smoothly remove it and provide brand new signature. And you can bold some text if you want to, do whatever you want to, you can highlight something. And this is it, so you can change it. Then let's go back, and as you can see, this brand new signature is assigned to your device, to your mail actually. So every mail will have this ending. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.